Hello, today we will talk about a new list of automotive products. Today's video is about
Antitheft remote starters.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
Okay, so I've opened up the box right here, so you've got all your contents. You've got your installation manual, you've got your zip ties, you've got your wiring harness, and you've got your module control box. Now this is very, very easy to follow along as they have labeled the parts A, B, C, and D. So as I'm telling you guys where things go, it'll be really easy to follow along. Okay, so step one, move your seat back as far as it'll go and raise your steering wheel as high as it'll go. That way you have as much room as possible up here. Come underneath to this port right here. Now this port will have a little plug on the back of it. As you can see, this wiring harness right here, there will be a tab that you can press up on and pull backwards. So find that tab, and that guy unplugs from that. Next, you'll take the portion from your wiring harness that's labeled D, and you'll plug in what you just unplugged into it, and you'll hear it clip into place like that. And then on the backhand portion, there's a part that's labeled E, and that plugs into where all of it was originally unplugged from in the first place back here. Remember, the tab goes on the bottom. So slide that into place. Not the vehicle, it's the battery, and this light will go from green and then to red. So it went from, come over here and take B and plug it in. Add A plugged in. Plug where you turn your car on. And once it's done blinking, then you are good to go. Taking my keys out. So now if I press this lock button 3 times, the vehicle should turn on. And running, guys, like I said,